So, this is a love reading for you, Gemini, for the month of October to November. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards for you and your love interest, and then let us see how's the guidance. You should note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate with all Gemini as it is, and whatever may resonate will vary in the intensity. So, let us see how's the guidance. So, who are you in the relationship? Who's your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges you bring, your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from? And how's overall the guidance for the love reading? Also, you want to read my October newsletter. I have given the link in the description box. You can download it, read it, and circulate it with as many people or in your social circle. So, when I look at the two cards here, first of all, there is lot of red in the two cards, which is and this the two cards are upside down. So one, it is telling me that red being the color of basic needs or just the salary or money is a bit of a concern right now for the two of you. So there is lot of money related discussion the two of you are having, and right now money is low with the two of you. You both are not experiencing luxury. So what happens is the color red is about meeting your or not worrying about your certain basic expenses, but with the reversed cards it's saying that basic expenses are drilling a certain hole or are creating a certain fight like or a war like situation for the two of you. So when I look at this guidance, it is about Gemini, a person coming with a lot of explanation, a lot of warrior like energy, and your partner is also coming with lot of swords and a fighting like energy. It's like the two of you are saying, I'm pulling my weight, your partner is saying, I'm pulling my weight. So there is definitely something going on related to money and basic needs between the two of you. So things are not as rosy, and the two of you are finding little expenses to be met difficult, or maybe expenses are too overboard. It's also possible both of you are in debt of some sort. Maybe you have a great debt coming from college days, and your partner also has a debt coming from college days. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? See, one, when I look at these cards, these are all sword cards, and there is a sword here, there's a sword here, there's a sword here. So there is a lot of talk that is happening. There is a certain conflict that is happening, and when swords are in the reverse, it means the words are hurting or certain things are not going as smooth as it should. Now, when I look at strength and challenges, I am seeing that Gemini, you want to relocate somewhere or you want to move somewhere, and this guidance is saying that you have the urge to relocate. Also, some of you want to move away from the place you grew up in or the hometown you grew up in, is you want to move away from there. You don't want to live your adulthood there. You don't want to live with your former family and have a house in the place you possibly grew up in. So there is a great need or wish to be want to be moving away or staying away. So you have the wish to relocate, and maybe you are talking about it. Also, when I look at strength and challenges for your partner's card, it's telling me he or she has been through a lot, and there is a certain healing that is happening. Certain conflict is starting to go down or starting to take place. So certain healing is definitely taking place for your partner. Also, for some of you, your partner is not completely opening up. I am seeing that the conflict is not completely gone, and maybe he or she brings conflict from workplace also. It's almost like at work also he or she has a lot of confusion and fight. And when I see this energy in strength or challenges, there is lot of conflict and fight, which is now starting to ease. Maybe it is coming from the past, maybe a certain fight between the two of you. But whatever this pain is or the conflict is, it's starting to go away. So, how do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? In the guidance, how do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? One, I see a king, and then I see a queen, but both are in the reverse cards. So, Gemini, you feel that your partner doesn't understand you and is very strict with a lot of things and will ask you minutest of details when you go out. He or she wants to know where did you go, and then what did you buy, then who did you meet, then who did you speak with. Even the minutest of details you are asking your partner. This is what your partner is asking you, sorry. So this is what you think, that your partner tends to micromanage or control unduly. Your partner sees you as someone who comes across as very arrogant and aloof and sometimes doesn't open up. And if you see, there are so many sword cards again. So there were already three here and then two more here. So also the two of you feel that you tend to get away with words, that you just tend to clip on or quickly make up a story and get away. So your partner sees you as Gemini, someone who can be very arrogant or aloof and is not very approachable. So sometimes you're not talking as freely as you should, Gemini. You hold lot of things to yourself or very close to your heart. You're not sharing maybe some future plans, and that is why your partner may be little bit worked up about lot of things or doesn't have much clarity about future or moving together forward. So also, when I see so much communication and talking, the two of you should extend more empathy and sensitivity to the each other. When I see so many swords, it's just saying that you both are saying way too many things to each other, and it could be a lot of things that are mean, vile, and just hurting. So maybe this energy needs to tone down a bit, where there are just so many swords and the two of you are in conflict. Now, what is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? Let us see. You are very convinced about this partner, about the future, Gemini. You feel that things will work out and the two of you are meant to be together. And your energy again shows someone moving with lot of confidence and strength and willpower to a new place, and you want to conquer. So you believe that even though your partner may not agree to a relocation now, eventually in the future, in some months or in some time, your partner will agree. So you definitely see relocation happening, and you're going very big with your plans to relocate. When I look at the guidance about the future with your partner, I'm seeing your partner believes this is a very successful relationship, which will the two of you can win over and create lot of success. Your partner almost feels that this relation can survive on even nothing, that even the two of you don't have much to give to each other, just on willpower and how smart the two of you are, the relationship can hold it strong and be a very winning relationship. So your partner is very convinced and you are also very very convinced. So these are just brilliant cards that I'm seeing in the future. And it's somehow like Gemini, you have made up your mind that you will not take a no as an answer, and your partner is waiting for a proposal, that the minute you make a proposal or you make the next move, he or she will say yes and they're on board. So this is a great big ring. So engagement is showing up, matrimony showing up, pregnancy showing up in the cards. Very beautiful future cards. What is the past you are coming from, Gemini, and what is the past your partner is coming from? In the past you have made lot of mistakes, Gemini. It's like if someone told you a secret, you did not hold on to it, or you went and told a lot of people about a certain thing which should have been probably been kept between the two of you. So you were somebody who were a loose talker, or who shared things very easily with a very big group when it was said to you in lot of privacy or one on one. So you have made lot of mistakes in the past. When I see the guidance of what is the past your partner is coming from, he or she is coming from lot of unemployment days, or when he or she did not have a steady job or a certain income. So there is lot of days of no money or no income that your partner has experienced, and maybe that is what is added to lot of conflict for your partner. Now how's overall the guidance for this union or matrimony together? Let us see for the two of you. You need to overcome a certain hiccup or a certain obstacle of deception. Somehow in the cards it's showing that the two of you believe there is a certain deception going on, and it could be because the two of you are capable of telling a lot of stories to each other, or you both casually lie to each other. But there is a certain test of time that this relationship needs to go through, and then I see the bond strengthening, because this is a guidance of trying to overcome a deception or having a fear of being deceived. So once you overcome this energy, the future is very, very bright for the two of you. So this is how the reading is looking, Gemini, for you and your partner.